welcome back to another video today where we are here going to be taking off the front fenders of the Camaro. I was going to take off the doors first so we can mess around in here, but it's going to be easier because I think the brackets for the door are actually in this area right here. So it's just going to be a lot easier instead of trying to get up in there with a ratchet and stuff. We're just going to take off the front fenders. We may even take off that front cowl across the front. But we're going to be doing this, taking off the fenders and see where it gets us today. Hopefully you guys all really enjoy the video. So here we go. Alright guys, I actually turned off the air compressor because I can't reach these bolts down here and I can't find my big extension. It's kind of frustrating, but I looked around for it, couldn't find it, so we're going to go the old-fashioned way and do it by hand. So I also turned off the air compressor so it wouldn't just kick on all of a sudden when I'm trying to talk to you guys. This may take a little bit longer, but I'm thinking about trying to get, I don't have a little air impact. I don't know. I've thought about getting one. They're not too expensive. But, I mean, it doesn't hurt to do stuff by hand every once in a while. The hard part is whenever we get back into, I don't know, the hard part is when we get back into putting all this back together is getting everything aligned like they do in the factory. That's going to be extremely hard. It's like here. I don't know if you can hear me, but that's how loud it is. Alright guys, I did want to show you this. I broke off a screw down here. I don't know if you guys can see up in here. Let me go get my headlamp. Like I said guys, I want to put some lights down on the ground too, so I can show you guys. Okay, there's a screw right there that I broke off, I guess on the back side. There's like threads, that like a little clip that goes on this piece and it snaps. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do something about this if I can't just take off all this at once. And then there's also some screws up in there. I don't know if you guys can see. There's some screws right there. And then we have to get to that screw down there, down in that hole. I don't know if you guys can see it. There it is. Focus. There it is. So we have to take off this bracket and everything on both sides. So that should be fun. And to probably get to that bracket, I'll probably end up having to take off this brake booster. So we'll try to do that real quick. I'm going to set you guys back up and let you watch. Alright guys, I gave you a different angle. We actually got to take this little box off. I don't really know what it's for, to get to some of the screws to take off this outer panel. It's actually taking a lot more than I thought to take this thing off. Alright, I've got that piece off right there, so now we should go use the bolt back here. Hold on, Fender. Alright, guys, it's spinning away down there, so. I'm gonna try to find something. What is that? Let's just take out the bracket of this. Okay. Let's see if we do that. Alright, pop that loose. Good. Alright, that. Okay, go loose. Alright. Try to get the loose off. Okay. I think it's... Alright guys, we're walking around. I'm actually working on the door, not the door, the fender up here, but it's like right up there in that area. So I'm going to be taking off a bolt up in behind the door that's actually holding on the front fender. So we'll see if we can get that off. I really want better lights for you guys because it's upsetting me you guys don't got good lighting. Alright guys, I actually got that piece off, so the fender I'm going to show you real quick. The fender is moving. So we're getting there. I think there's still some bolts some places, or maybe some clearance issues, but we're getting somewhere. I'm going to stand you guys back up over here so you guys can see everything that's going on. There's the car. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful car. Alright. So there's that. Still feels like it's hooked down below somewhere. Alright guys, we actually have a stuck bolt right here. I finally got up to this side and it broke free on this side, but it's just spinning. It's not actually coming out, so we're going to actually take out the jigsaw and try to cut that out of there. Alright guys, we're slowly getting off. You can see the one out there. Oh my goodness. Yes. Something else up here. Good. Okay. It's small, it's not so small. Oh. Screws right here. 108. That's not even smaller than 8. Everything. Something. Not crap. That's the one that actually fit. Okay. Got it. Don't worry. That's actually holding it. Who knows? Maybe. I don't know. I think it's a rubber. Rubber in there. Not there. Let's see. Come apart. Oh, yeah, that's small. Should be up on it. One day. Now, these guys, we'll go up there. Show you too. Here. So, all I hit up stuff. Alright guys, the fender is completely off. We have it right here on the ground, so that is awesome. Took so much work. I am sweating my butt off. I am not looking forward to doing that other side, but let's take a closer look. Oh, ran into something. Okay, so it's all disassembled from this front piece here. So next, we'll be doing that other side. I don't know if it's going to be easier just to take off this front first, because that's where our most problem was, trying to get it disconnected from all of this. So yeah. Yeah, but that's about it. We got the front fender disassembled, so I think that's what we'll do, and then I'll update you guys after I get the other side, so you guys don't have to watch that. I'll let you know if there's any other problems that persist. Alrighty guys, I am so glad we got that done, but we have the fender off. I'm going to do the other fender off camera so you guys don't have to watch that again, but it was alright. It wasn't extremely bad, so I'm pretty proud of what we've done. So hopefully you guys all enjoyed the video. If you did, give a big thumbs up, like, favorite, comment, and subscribe, because it takes a lot of time and a lot of effort to make these videos for you guys. So hopefully you guys all enjoy it. I want to thank all of you for watching, and I'll catch you all in another video.